How's it going, guys, and welcome to the very first video of the Faulks Tech channel. My name is Derek Faulks, and I'm going to be doing just a setup video of the shield. I've had this shield for about a year now, and I want to show you guys how to set it up. Right now I have quite a few apps. I'm not going to go through any of these right now. I'm just going to do a quick, basically like a slideshow. Just go through so I can capture this for my knowledge. That way when I set it back up, I can put all my apps back on here. Alright, and that is it. As you notice, I don't have Kodi on here. I don't use Kodi anymore. It's just has too many problems. I've replaced it with Terium TV as well as Mobdro. Those two replace Kodi and do wonders compared to what Kodi can do. Some may disagree, but that's just my opinion. So, without further ado, I'm going to be going ahead and saying goodbye. So let's get this reset going, which is under storage and reset. I have a terabyte hard drive hooked up to this guy. So let's do a factory data reset. Alright, so let's do it. Factory data reset. Erase everything. Alright, it's coming back up now. We got the NVIDIA logo. So, I'm going to be choosing English, of course. Do you have an Android phone or tablet? Yes, I do. Now, this is what I really like. I really commend Google for doing this. So, I'm going to be opening my app on my Google phone. One moment here while I do this. Alright, so first of all, we're back in my phone now. So we're opening up the Google app like we see on screen. It's loading, there it is. I'm going to choose next on my screen. And it says in the search box, type set up my device, or say okay Google, set up my device. So I'm going to type up here, set up my device, there it is. Going to choose next, searching for devices. Now I do have the shield wired in, but it still works on a wired connection even though I'm using Wi-Fi on my phone, which is nice. So I'm going to choose shield, connected to your device. And as you see on my screen, it says verify code on your device. Alright, it matches up. So I'm going to choose next. Alright, confirm to continue for security reasons. Confirm yours. Okay, let me do that. Boom. And there it is. There's my emails. I'm going to blur these out. I'm going to choose the one I want to affiliate with this. Copy in your Google account and data. And on the screen, we see receiving account and internet information. And boom. We're done. Okay, so we're back on my screen. I'm now going to close the video on my phone and continue with this. Alright, so we see the terms of service. I don't care to view all these. If you are concerned about terms of service, privacy policy, or Google Play terms of service, feel free to read that. I'm going to choose the accept button. Location, I'm not too concerned about my location, so I'm going to choose yes. And I don't feel like it. I don't like this, so I'm going to choose no. Of course, NVIDIA, they have their license agreement and privacy policy. You may want to read that. For me, I've already looked through it. Nothing that concerns me. Continue. And join the NVIDIA Shield Rewards program. Use my Google account. Add your favorite apps. So this is new. I haven't, I don't remember this. I mean, it may have been something that was there when I first set this up, but I don't recall this being there. So I'm going to choose add all apps just to see what it does. Tells me my Shield is up to date because I've updated it. This is just a re-image or a battery data reset. I'm going to choose done here. Preparing recommendations. And there we are, guys. This is what you'll see when you first set up your Shield. Just gonna fly through this. We see some YouTube videos. And that is it. So guys, that is all concerning the first setup of the Shield. I've done a battery reset. Next time, or the next video I'm going to be posting is going to be adding and customizing my Shield. Stay tuned, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.